And to finish this salad off, a perfect ending would be a beautiful poached egg, but I'm going to do the poached egg in the air fryer. I've never poached an egg in an air fryer, more of a traditional cook me, but if this turns out amazing, I'm going to be well happy, well happy. Well, I'm outside again and I've got a review for you. I've got an Airfryer Comfee Airfryer Toaster Oven combo. 12 settings, don't know anything about it, never used it before. As you can see, it's brand new. We're gonna go in together and I'll give you my honest opinion. So yeah, this is the Comfee Airfryer Toaster Oven at a good price as well. So we're gonna do a few little bits and bobs in here and see how it goes. Right, so like I said, we're gonna do a few little bits and bobs in this. It's brand new, I haven't even plugged it in yet. We're gonna make a beautiful salad and I've got some chickpeas. We're gonna roast and toast some chickpeas out of a can. Pat dried them, gonna use some smoked paprika, harissa, olive oil, salt, beautiful. So here I've got a combination of smoked paprika and ground harissa, so get that in. Nice. And just like a little hint of olive oil. Then just a little salt. And just give it a good mix. Oh, yes. Put your chickpeas in your air fry basket. Give it a good old shake. Function, air fry, temperature. I'm gonna put it on for 380. Time, I don't know, let's go 15 minutes. Preheat. If you've never tried roasted chickpeas in a salad, you've got to try them because they're absolutely delicious. And the beauty about it is you can add anything to them, anything you want, any spices, any herbs, dried herbs, amazing. Little bit flavored oils as well, lemon zest, all sorts, lime zest, for any salad, beautiful. Right, it's preheated. Let's hope for the best. Look at that, they're like little pellets of heaven. Right, so I put my chickpeas to one side and these are sort of like the croutons of the salad. And now we're gonna make a quick vinaigrette, a lemon vinaigrette. Very fresh, very neutral, fits perfect for this salad. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna finely dice this garlic. And I'm not bothered if I get small chunks of garlic because little chunks like this are fine. And really roll the lemon, seriously, to get that juice out. Squeeze. Next, a little bit of Dijon mustard. Some honey, some sweetness, touch of salt, pepper, plenty of pepper. And at the end, just whisk in some olive oil. That's where I want it. That tastes beautiful. Right, chickpeas are done, dressing's done, and now I've got some beautiful salmon. We're gonna make some salmon nuggets with a great combo of store-bought harissa, beautiful, or you can make it yourself, whatever you wanna do, and onion powder. Put them together on the salmon. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. And also by doing this, the salmon will cook quicker as well. First, the garlic powder. And then some harissa paste. Look at that. And then just give that a good mix with your hands. Got my air fryer tray. I'll just add the salmon. And then we'll air fry it. So I'm going to pick my function, air fry. Temp, I'm going to go 350 on this. Time, about 6 minutes, 6-7 minutes, we'll see. Preheat, let's go. Can you see that? Look how moist that is. 6 minutes, 350, cooked it beautiful. And to finish this salad off, a perfect ending would be a beautiful poached egg, but I'm going to do the poached egg in the air fryer. I've never poached an egg in an air fryer, more of a traditional cook me, but if this turns out amazing, I'm gonna be well happy, well happy. Right, so I've got a bowl, I'm gonna spray it, tap my egg gently, and then just a little bit of water, and then temperature, let's set it for 400, and preheat. Right now, that's preheated to 400, so I'm going to turn the temperature down for around about 350, no, 360. 360. All right, say a little prayer and hope for the best. And I'm going to do that for about 4 minutes. So while my egg's cooking, just a very simple salad, Got some leaves on, some cucumber. Scatter that about. Some of these harissa salmon nuggets. I'm just gonna scatter them about. They smell amazing. And then from there, some of those beautiful chickpeas. All right, moment of truth. Well, I mean, that looks like a poached egg to me. Well, it's gonna be hot. Is it hot? It looks not bad. Yeah. And then from there, go on. Oh, look at that. You beauty. And then just to finish, some of that vinaigrette, just lightly over the top. Don't overdress it. And also, I think some nice avocado would be nice on here. Just scattered about. I'm actually really pleased with that poached egg. Listen, it's a good air fryer. For 150 bucks, you can't go wrong. It does what it says on the tin. We cooked some salmon, we cooked some chickpeas, we even poached an egg, which I'm pretty happy about. It's runny, it's nice. For $150, it's a good deal. It's a good price. So if you're looking for a cheaper air fryer, have a look into this one. You won't be disappointed. So links below. It's on Amazon now, like I said, for a good price. $150. Get it. Thanks, guys.